Hey, what about my people?
Can you not catch too? Hey, officers, please can't get in the name, man. Can't get in the name, man. Which station you not catch too, please?
Man, boy,
Watch out.
in your mode.
Look how the person that move with.
Hey man, you know where you watch?
Dancehall skilla. Hey, what about my people? Dancehall skilla there again. Blessed manners and respect to each and every one. And there are certain things I'm going to talk about. You see me? I'm going to present a video to you. And this video shows some things that happened when there was a police search that was being conducted at a location within the country of Jamaica. I got the understanding from this video and also at least another video that a motor vehicle was being searched by police from within the country of Jamaica. So I got the understanding that something somehow ended up inside of a motor vehicle. But how did that end up there? That is what I want at one point. But people, I'm now jump to the conclusion. I'm going to present the video to you so you can look at this video for yourself. Viewer discretion is advised for this video. Observe with me, people. Observe.
Personal. My personal recordings.
My people. So, hold on, you know. There are certain things really and truly. Alright, hold on.
Okay.
Hold on.
No problem at all.
This is something right there, so you know. Yeah, because this is something, but hold on. This really and truly look away, my people. I not disrespect nobody. But just think about it, look away. Hold on, just wait, my people. Just keep watching, keep looking. So I go on. See?
So, officers, we can't get in the name, please. And which station you not catch to? Hey, officers, please can't get in the name, man. Can't get in the name, man. Which station you not catch to, please?
You clip your own back, sir.
Look there. You see that? Alright, now my people, hear what me I say now, see? So, my people, at one point, you know, at one point when I look at the video, I wonder if this situation was some type of misunderstanding or mistake. But, based on certain things when I seen in the video, it had me thinking. And listen me out. Now, if something dropped from somebody, and if something was there before that thing dropped, maybe it is not 100% that it must rain, but maybe whatsoever drop might end up on top of what was there before. Take a look at this, people. I mean, even though the video was recorded from a certain angle, take a look at where that thing was removed from. And by the way, what is that, my people? What is that? Yes, I have an idea what it is. But more than likely, leave your comment or comments to let me know what you think that was. Yeah, I have an idea what I think that was. See, and even though the video I posted on social media claiming that, you know, well, accusing police of planting. You see me I say, I'm not going to say it because based on what I say, I don't think it is what some people might be thinking. But at the same time, look at it. What do you think that thing was? More than likely, leave your comment or comments, let me know. If you think it was a mistake, or if you think it was not a mistake. You can leave a comment or comments, let me know what you think that whole situation could have turned out to be. In my point of view, that was a potentially dangerous situation. Suppose nobody never did see that and certain things and but what would happen? Anyways, but people, I'm not jump to no conclusion. Yes, I say, but that I'm not sure what to be afraid of or who to be afraid of based on what me I see with people. Now, I'm going to present a video to you that's going to show some things that happened when a person threw at least one object in someone's direction during subscribers. Well, I got the understanding that there was some type of a disagreement or some type of a confrontation between two persons we can see in the video. And the situation reached to the point where a person did certain things that was not good. My question that I'm going to ask you before I present the video to you is, what would you do if someone behaved like this towards you? My best advice is to move away from that person as far as I can. Just stay out of that person's way and contact the police or bring the matter to the police. Viewer discretion is advised for this video. Observe.
That go and uncover the man ball.
Watch it.
In your mode.
Yeah. Watch it.
That's that brick only. That brick it only was bottles and jewels and thing. So the one phone and all in here.
Is that? No. Hold on.
Criminal girl.
So the person did certain things, threw certain things, and then walked away. What would you do if someone behaved like that towards you, my people? Leave your comment or comments, let me know what you think about that. Now I'm going to present a video to you that's going to show some things that happened when a person lay down in water that was flowing in a trench or a type of trench. What that person had done was dangerous. Yeah, it was dangerous. And let me point out that rain might not be falling at, let me say it, rain might not be falling at that spot where the person was at and where the trench or where the part of the trench is there. But rain can fall at different places and the water can just rush, come sudden, right at that location. When it comes down to them type of trench, you don't take certain risk. You don't do certain things. See, don't go down in it. Leave certain things to the necessary authority when it comes down to them things about whether a person did that doing this or in the first place. That's one of the questions I was wondering. The people, take a look at the video first. Viewer discretion is advised for this video. Observe with me. Watch it. And look what the person that move with. Look what the person that got end up. More you notice. Watch it. Dangerous. Dangerous. When I say that dangerous, look at it. Sometimes some people do some things I have to wonder about their mental health, my people. Anyways, that's just a video that, it caught me attention. It really and truly look away. Why the person do that? I'm not sure. But I'm not dangerous. And I think here's where I'm going to leave it. So big up and respect to each and everyone. If you're new to my channel, click the subscribe button. And click the notification bell so that you can be notified whenever I post a video. Remember to click all. Until the next time, I'm in name Dancehall Skilla. Big up.
Hey, my youth, you know where you watch.